It's rainified, isn't it? You're standing on my foot. Got a pretty green one on now. Oh, no. Well, it's pouring with rain this morning. I've covered his booty up with a boo bag or two, and we're off to the vets to get the results. So we've got everything crossed for good news. Dad's gone to get the car. It's very difficult to have to keep this bandage dry all the time. It was okay the first couple of weeks because it was lovely and sunny, but it's rained non-stop for quite a few walks now. Can I hear the car? Now, what's he doing up there? Looking for treasure, I expect. Taxi's arrived. Oops. Oh, we're back from the vets. He didn't have his paw rewrapped this time because it was only done yesterday, so it's can do another couple of days. Got to go back on Monday. Now the results are good, and well, good, yeah, they're good. There's no cancer cells, but the bad thing is they don't know what it is. They've ruled out lots of things, but and cancer being one of them, of course, but they don't know what it is. They don't know why it's not healing. Why the results took so long is because the lab was doing tests thinking it was multiple spots on his body and not just the one, and they thought things like zinc deficiency and a deficiency in his diet and allergies and that, but if it was anything like that it would be all over his body, not just in one place. So she went and had another look and hasn't really come up with anything except maybe it was an old trauma. She did suggest a cigarette burn. Well, he may have stood on a cigarette burn or hot pavement or something, even as far back as the summer when it was really hot, but I don't think so because neither of us smoke, our friends don't smoke. And if we go to fields and the moors and that, and if there's a cigarette butt there, it would be long gone, long cold. So I don't think it was that. But anyway, we don't know what's going to happen. He's not on his antibiotics anymore. We've stopped those because it did make him sick in the morning a couple of times. So we've stopped that. So like I say, we're back to the vet on Monday for another bandage, take this one off and have another look at it. And hopefully, well, we just have to wait and see. But so that's the good news, and the bad news is we still don't know what's causing it. Yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy. We'll get you sorted. Yeah, we'll get you sorted out. Yes, we will. Yes, we will.